Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow green amaranth at home, only way. Sow seeds thinly and loose, well-drained soil, press lightly, and maintain steady moisture while they germinate. Give plants at least 6 hours of sun and transplant when true leaves appear at about 3–5 inches spacing. Water deeply but infrequently, and harvest outer leaves regularly to encourage new growth and a steady supply. Choose a loose, nutrient-rich potting mix or amended garden bed and mix in compost for steady feeding. Place containers or beds where plants receive at least 6 hours of direct sun to keep leaves tender and vibrant. Use raised beds or add sand to heavy clay to improve drainage, as amaranth dislikes waterlogged roots and benefits from warm, well-aerated soil for faster growth and healthier plants. If you are enjoying this guide, please like and subscribe for more plant tips and recipes. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: grab a Kindle Paperwhite to read seed catalogs, e-guides, and plant care notes in the garden without glare or bulky books. It fits in a pocket and makes planning a breeze, especially when you are juggling soil and seedlings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Water amaranth deeply rather than lightly to encourage strong root systems, adjusting frequency for heat and container size. Apply a balanced fertilizer at half strength every 3 weeks to support leafy growth without excess nitrogen burn. Scout plants regularly for common pests like aphids and leaf miners, removing damaged leaves and using gentle soap sprays if needed, and pinch flower stalks early to prolong leafy harvests for salads and stir fries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.